may tanong ako.
Dapat po kasi sikat ako.
Hi guys! So today, nandito po kami sa Binondo. And ngayon, ayaw magpakita ng mga kasama ko. Hi! Pakilala kayo.
I'm Layla Nay.
Yan! Ganda. Fit check, fit check.
Fit check.
Hey! You.
Hey, I'm Earl Edward. Fit check.
Fit check. So, ang plan po today is Binondo with no plan. Magpo-food trip po ako sa Binondo. Hanap ako ng 5 tao na interviewhan ko kasi hindi ko alam talaga yung mga kakainan dito. Sila, hindi ko rin alam kung saan sila gustong kumain. Pero, yun, Binondo with no plan. Yeah, let's go.
So basically how this challenge is going to go is I'm going to ask people around Binondo and allow them to decide what I'm going to eat. And because the weather wasn't great later, I ended up having 4 people to decide what I'm going to eat instead of 5. So, let's go!
Ate, excuse me po. Ano po kasi namin, magbibinondo, tas yung mga sasabihin po nila.
Kakarating lang namin yun
Po.
Ito pa lang yung nabili namin.
Saan po yan?
Ayan.
Okay. Thank you po.
First up is Lord's Toast Bakery. So, bumili ako dito ng 4 na piraso na egg tart for 220 pesos and mamaya yung taste test.
So, wala kami dito ngayon. Kasi kakain na siya. Tapos, may kitikim lang ako.
So, yung next na kinainan namin is itong signature sausage na grabe din yung pila pagdating namin.
Yum. Grabing taste test to. Walang feedback.
Sarap.
Sarap?
Yeah!
Magutong.
So, gutom na yan sila guys kasi 1 hour late ako that day. Tapos tumabi kami sa gilid para kumain. It was a solid 10 out of 10 for me. So, next is yung ating second target interview.
Excuse me po, pwede po ba kayong ma-interview? Ang kakainan po namin, doon po kami kakain today.
Dapat po kasi sikat ako.
Ano pong marirecommend nyo pong kainan po dito sa Binondo?
Na-try ko na cafe mezzanine pati yung tea house.
So, anong recommend nyo na pwedeng kainin doon?
So yung tea house, yung siopaw nila kasi malaki. May cafe mezzanine, masarap po yung parang beef nila, something na parang may sauce.
So what she recommended ended up the best food that we had that day. And sobrang laki nung siopaw. Pero trinay namin sila nung gabi na. So yeah, stay tuned later. So next, dinala nila ako dito sa fried siopaw na sobrang haba din ng pila dito sa Binondo.
Actually, yung kakainan ko lang kung saan nila ako dadalhin. Nandito kami ngayon sa Dragon Fruit Juice. Kuya, may tanong ako.
Dragon fruit?
Dragon Fruit, magkano ako?
Kuya, bakit pink yung dragon fruit?
Tingnan tayo. Tamang lasa lang po tayo madam po.
Pinagkakatiwala ko sa kanya. Kuya, ba't di mo katulong yan tanong na?
Ito ba, tamang lasa lang po.
Good, perfect for my taste buds. 10 out of 10.
Grab.
Not too sweet, not too,
Not to taste test nung fried siopaw. Ganun daw.
sarap yung
Perfect combination. Yeah.
So this siopaw tasted like xiaolongbao. Tapos naalala namin na may xiaolongbao dun sa may una naming binilhan. So bumalik kami dito.
Xiaolongbao meet Xiaolongbao. Yeah. Xiaolongbao eating Xiaolongbao. Hey.
And then pumunta kami dito sa Estero kasi we were going to try dapat a frog food, fried frog, ganun. Kaso, it's a platter. So, hindi naman namin mauubos yun. Nandun lang kami para i-try. So, 100 views na try namin yan. Babalikan kami sila. Sasama ko sila.
Kaya bomi ng frog legs.
So, di na natuloy. So, pinapili ko na lang si ate kung ano yung pwede namin kainin dito.
Ano pong re-recommend niya na ulam po namin? Small po.
So she ended up recommending battered chicken, and it was so good. While waiting for the food also, we tried the xiaolongbao. I really enjoyed this one, and this one is 10 out of 10. And then we ended up having a proper meal, and this Mickey Bihon was so good. And syempre nag-proper meal na kami kasi 1 hour late ako. Gutom na yung mga kasama ko. Sorry guys.
Natapakan yung ego niya. Kasi sila din
And then we had this egg tart for dessert, which is also, by the way, 10 out of 10. It was not too sweet, and honestly, masarap siyang balik-balikan. Now I understand ba't ang haba ng pila doon. Then it started raining, but the show must go on. So the next thing that we did is buy some umbrella and then try the next food.
So, dapat pila kami ng pagkahaba-haba sa baba. Yun na lang yung natin sa last na pila. May nagsabi na iba daw yung pila dito sa taas. Dumiretso kami dito sa last.
So for this next one, we didn't know this place existed. So thank you kay ate for telling us to eat here and eat this kasi sobrang sarap niya rin. It was 10 out of 10 also, and it has that flavor of a star anise with a little bit of savor to it. So it was really good.
Titikman ko rin pala yung siopaw na pagkalaki-laki ko. Kasi nilaki siya ng ulo ko. Ito yung pinakasulit na buy dito sa Binondo. Ayan na. Sila yung TikTok source ko.
Thank you, Lord. How does it taste?
So good.
Hey.
You don't follow instruction.
So syempre, pinatikim ko rin sa kanila.
10 out of 10. Why? Because I love siopaw so much. Yeah. Siopaw or xiaolongbao? Siopaw. Okay.
So after we ate there and tried the remaining foods, paglabas namin ng Binondo, gabi na, and sobrang ganda ng mga ilaw. So here are some montage.
Mas maganda na siya, and hopefully mas marami na ako mag-meet ng mga tao and locals or yung mga tao lang na nandun sa area na yun ang gagambalain natin sa susunod. So, and yeah, this is my vlog for this month. See you on the